What is up, Hardies, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be talking about all my personal hygiene products that I am absolutely loving, and I have shared some of my hacks in a previous video, but I have changed some of my products that are gonna keep me smelling squeaky clean. I have changed some of those products, so today I'm going to be sharing all these good stuff for you to have you smelling nice and fresh, have your hair smelling fresh, have your mouth smelling fresh, have your lady parts smelling fresh. So definitely stay tuned. So first things first, I am going to be sharing what I am loving for my hair. Right now, I tried the Aura hair care and I absolutely love it. And the reason why I love it is because I love the scent. I did try, as y'all know, I love doing like little natural hair mixtures and remedies, and sometimes depending on what ingredient you use, it kind of keeps your hair smelling like a cook shop. So I kind of struggled with finding a shampoo that's free of parabens, free of chemicals, that smells good. Like usually the products that are free of these chemicals, they don't have like the best smell. This smells divine and it keeps your hair smelling really nice. It keeps your pillowcase smelling good because your hair smells good. It keeps everything smelling good. So that's the Aura hair care, and the scent I went with is Island Reverie, which I shared a previous video on how I use this product in my hair and how my hair reacted to it. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I'll link it down in the description. So I'm loving the Aura hair care. And let's move on to my teeth. So right now I am using my Oral-B toothbrush because you know, when you go to the dentist and they use the electric toothbrush, it just makes your teeth feel, you know, squeaky clean like glass, you know. So I like the electric toothbrush better. And right now, as you can see, my toothpaste, it finished, it dying, it dead. I need another one, okay? But so I haven't ordered some more, but I have to order some more. And this is the Native toothpaste. I have been using the mint. I really like the mint. The charcoal, you know, charcoal in toothpaste don't really do nothing unless you using actual charcoal on your teeth. Then that's the only way it'll be really effective. But I bought the charcoal one just to try out. So I have been using the Native charcoal toothpaste, and I like the mint toothpaste, which that one I already finished. I have to order some more. So that's the mouth. Now for we going down. So now for the armpits. Okay, what we doing for the armpits? So for me, when I use aluminum deodorants, they make my armpits smell really, really, really bad. Okay, I'm talking about, I could just take a shower and I could use Secret, I could use Dove deodorant, I could use all those ones they sell in Kmart. They make my armpits smell so bad in like 5 minutes. So I don't use them. I have been using Native for a good while now, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so this one is currently, I'm using cherry and vanilla macaroon. Ooh, I love macaroon. I wish I had one to pop in my mouth now. Anyways, but I love this scent. I love the scent of this. This is going to have your armpits smelling like a dessert, okay? Like literally somebody gonna want to eat your armpits. Like this smells so good. So if you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. This is not a sponsored video. These are stuff I buy with my own coins and I absolutely love them. So that's my favorite right now. So in terms of mouth, the rinse that I love to use is this Closest. You could purchase it from Amazon. You could pretty much purchase it anywhere. And it's a sensitive mint mouthwash. So I've been using it and I really love it. It gives your mouth like, it doesn't give you like that burning feeling, and it keeps your mouth fresh, like a light fresh scent and sweet. It keeps your mouth tasting sweet. So I really love it. I really love it. Now let's go into bath soaps. So let me tell you guys, I have never used Dove products as much, considering I don't use their deodorants. So I haven't really used Dove products, but my friend, she used Dove products and she was showing me like some Dove products that she really loved. And I tried their foaming body wash and OMG, I am so in love, okay? So right now, my favorite Dove body wash is the cucumber and green tea scent. I love when I put this on. I love when I finish, take a bath. I smell so fresh and clean. You know, like when somebody come around you and you like know they took a bath, you know, they smell so, they smell like water. They smell like fresh water. They smell clean. This is how this smells. So I absolutely love it. I have been using it for quite some time now. I also love this one, which is the Dove body wash mousse with argan oil. I really love that one too. So I be alternating, okay? I alternate between them. My spa day, when I'm pampering myself, I go ahead and I use the Sleep by Bath & Body. And this is the body wash. It's also a foam wash, I guess, depending on what bottle you pour it in. And this is the lavender chamomile. So I absolutely love this. You see, I almost finished. I have to order the next one. Okay, and the next thing I absolutely love is the bath mist. So when you run in your water is nice and warm. You spray your bath mist into the air, and your bathroom just smells so good, and you're ready to take a nice shower. And it's a vibe. It's a vibe. So I really love the J.R. Watkins Sleep Aromatherapy in Shower Mist. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. It's really good. And I be ashy sometimes. I have been loving the J.R. Watkins Detox Body Polish. And I used this when I was pregnant with True. I used it on my belly to give me like a nice feeling on my stomach, making my stomach nice and smooth. And I love it on my legs. It keeps my legs feeling nice and smooth. I love it on my entire body. It keeps me feeling soft. Usually when I use it, after I use it, my husband be like, ooh, you feel like a baby. You feel so soft and so silky and so smooth and so nice. I don't know if he'd be buttering me up or what, but I think it's this, okay? I think it's this. And I absolutely love it. And this one is turmeric and citron. And I love that one. Next, let's go into the, well, last but not least, we're going to go into the body wash. And the one that I have been loving lately is the Summer's Eve coconut water. Yes, Summer's Eve coconut water. Y'all know coconut water don't really have a scent, but Summer's Eve coconut water will have her smelling perfect, okay? Will have her smelling perfect. It's like a light, refreshing scent. I absolutely love it. I have been buying it over and over and over and over and over again, and I love it. And that's pretty much it for all my hygiene stuff. Let me know if some of these products are something that you use. My baby is crying, so I gotta go. See you guys in the next video. Bye.